Robert, what is that? A baby chick? Is it nice? Is it funny? Hi. You kept jumping up on the water and making him laugh. Oh, look at that! I think it's funny. Oh! They're like teenagers. You get a little bit of mobility. Go crazy. They get into where they can fly better and better. And then they'll fly less and less as they get older. Oh my goodness. Is it funny, Robert? Yeah, it's funny. Hey, Shelly chickens. You be nice to each other. I think we gotta take them someplace else to explore. Do some kind of busy-minded Yeah. No, this is still their home for now. They're too little to live outside. There you go. Ta-da! No, chicken. Is it being silly? Mama. Yeah, you're jumping in me. Silly chickens. You see we get too close. What do you think of this, huh? Bye, chickens. Oh, my goodness. Say I love you. Can you say I love you? No, he's come to look at it. Bye. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? He's just gonna smile, silly. Okay. Bye. Bye.